Today's our press briefing organized by MPCC is the present state government is totally violating the provisions and the article of the Constitution which is conferred to the state government. As per Article 174 of the Constitution of India, the assembly session should be held at least 3 times, that is, one is budget session, another is autumn session, another is winter session. Right from the top, that is from the parliament, there is always, at least in one calendar year, 3 sessions should be held. I repeat again, the budget session, the autumn session, and the winter session. This present assembly session which has already held budget session, autumn session, and yet to held. The winter session is not yet held this session. That's why we have no alternative option. We have submitted memorandum to the constitutional head of the state, that is the governor. We have given memorandum to the governor, honorable speaker who is the custodian of the house, and also chief minister of Manipur for summoning of this winter session.
Well, coming to the point again, there was another issue there, Dr. Lamting Khan, who is one of the Congress.
Sorry, that is not related to the press meet.
No, but in fact...
No. Sorry. In another press meet, we will clarify that.
You please ask, which is very related with, with
what
this.
time does this normally winter session should start?
No, that is, it should have to be clear 15 days. Before clear 15 days of the summoning of the any session, whether it may be budget session or autumn session or winter session, it should have to be summoned by the governor before 15 clear days. But it is not doing by this government. They are not doing their duty. Instead they are violating the Constitution's article provision of the Constitution. That's why, as a opposition in the interest of the people of the state, we are raising this issue why this present government is not calling this session.
So is there any other alternatives to make this poll?
Yeah, I have already told there is a provision is there which they can call, summon the session.
And unfortunately, the governor is not there in the government because since he's...
No, we have already submitted our memorandum whether he is physical present or not. That is their outlook. That is not our outlook. It can be cross message, it can be online. There is a memorandum came from the opposition side. They can immediately within 4-5 minutes and it can convey to the governor. Wherever he may be at the moment at Guwahati or maybe at Delhi, anywhere in the world nowadays. Technically so advanced.
So what is the reason why does this government want some more?
No, please ask to the government. That is not our outlook.
Okay, thank you. Yes.
No, that is we will take up that issue separately.